I'm from Avery County, raised out there in the old house beside my trailer. Lived on this land most of my life. When it rains real hard, it pushes the dirt down and it goes through under the track that the underpinning goes on, and it washes it out. And I'm afraid my water in my bathroom back there and my kitchen here is going to freeze if I can't get it done right. I can't keep it fixed, and it's going to take somebody with some knowledge to do it and get the job done right. I use the wood stove during the daytime and my oil monitor of a night during the winter. The draft from the underpinning is coming through, and it's keeping this end of the house cold. It gets hot right up there because there's holes in the inside of the pipe, and gets a little hot right here, but not like it does up there, and that's close to some wood right there, about a half an inch from the wood. I've got plenty of wood and plenty of kindling and plenty of paper stored back to use, and it's been 2 winters now that I haven't been able to use it because of the stovepipe. And if my power went off during those bad storms, I had no heat at all.
My dad built this house. He had owned a sawmill, and he sold timber, and he sold all the timber for it. I guess it's about 75 years older than that, really, but the floor give away in the bedroom. The seal rotted out and the floor fell. Well, I couldn't have had it done. I didn't have the money, to fix it. I was scared to death for a snake to get in there. It was like that about 2 years. I really didn't know what I was going to do. I mean, you know what it's like to get up in the night and see if there's a snake in the bed. I couldn't stay here like that.
It had been damaged for about a year, and a tree landed on this side, and all of the plywood was rotted out. The mold was out there in the washroom, and it was up there in that other bathroom way upstairs. Lord, it was pitiful. I would go up there and try to clean it off with bleach. My water would be black with just one rag going down. I'd call these people up where they were saying you could get money to help to get a roof. So I tried that. My identity got stolen. My husband had saved me up a little nest egg when he was gone, which he is gone, of course, died of cancer. From that, they came and got my cars, claimed it as theirs. They took my money out of the bank. So it just went from that to that, and I thought, Lord, what am I going to do? And the longer that mold had been in here for about a year, and the longer I was smelling it, the sicker I got. I was so depressed and down and out, and I just didn't know what to do because I had called every organization in the world that I could think of. Nobody was willing to help me. Finally, at last, a friend came over and she said, Margaret, WAMY, we got to get in touch with WAMY. Oh, they're angels. Those men that came and tried their best to help me in every way they could, and they was worried about me being sick. They was worried about that. I didn't know people like that existed no more. They said it's the worst roof they ever seen. They tore parts of it out and got then sprayed back in there and put the stuff back. I was just so happy. They didn't charge me anything. What would we do without WAMY?
If they had to come, how would
Oh, Lord, honey. I don't know, but they would probably foreclose on this place. I've been homeless.
Well, I called them. They sent me an application. I filled it out. They come and these men come and fixed it. Yeah, they come and done it for free. I'd say they're wonderful. I really would. They're good people, and I can't explain it. It just means so much. When you can't, afford it, and you can't do something yourself, you can't hire somebody to do it, and you get it done, it means a lot. They were so nice to me. I can't hardly get in and out a bathtub, and I didn't have a shower. They put a real good shower in, and now I've got a seat in the bathtub and a shower, and I don't have to worry about falling or trying to get up, Oh, I feel safer with it. It helps me so good much.
It is nice to know that there is programs like that set up in the county, and I know WAMY, it helps out a lot.
When WAMY said that they would help me, it made me so darned happy. I was so happy.
It means so much to me. It really does. The world.
They was both just nice as they could be, and I said something to them about my oven not working. The elements in it had burnt out, He started right in trying to fix it right then. He said, I can take the old ones out and put new ones in. It means a lot to get it done for free because it's hard whenever you live off of one check a month. To WAMY and the other people that have helped me out, I'd like to thank them all.